Dear students, this is the next topic of our chapter number 6, comparing quantities. First we'll study the important formulae. I have written here the structures. Profit formula is SP minus CP, means selling price minus cost price, where selling price is greater than cost price. Next is loss. Loss is the reverse of profit. So CP minus SP is the formula of loss, where CP is greater than SP. Profit percent formula is profit upon CP multiply by 100. Loss percent formula is loss upon CP multiply by 100. You have to learn these formulae by heart. Okay. Next, selling price in the gain case. The formula is 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. Then in the loss case, formula of selling price is 100 minus loss percent upon 100 multiply by CP. Then in the gain case, formula for CP is 100 upon 100 plus profit percent multiply by SP. When CP is here, SP is here, okay? And when SP is here, CP is here. Reverse order. In the case of loss, the formula for CP is 100 upon 100 minus loss percent multiply by SP. So these are the formulas that you have to learn by heart. Now I am taking questions. A girl buys lemons at a collection of 4 for rupees 3 and sells them at a collection of 5 for rupees 4. How much percent loss or gain does she make? So buys means cost price. Cost price of 4 lemons is equal to rupees 3. Then we will find the cost price of 1 lemon. Cost price of 1 lemon is equal to 3 upon 4. Then sells them at 5 for rupees 4. SP of 5 lemons equals to rupees 4. Then selling price of 1 lemon equals to rupees 4 upon 5. Students, you can easily find whether the case is having a gain or loss only when you have same number of articles and their cost price and selling price. Here we have the cost price of 1 lemon and selling price of 1 lemon. Now we have to compare if this is greater, if the cost price is 1 lemon is greater or the selling price of 1 lemon is greater. So for comparing this, we have to find the LCM of 4 and 5. This is 20. We'll write here 20 here also. So 4 5s is 20. So 3 5s is 15. Similarly, 5 4s is 20. So 4 4 is 16. Now the denominators are same. So looking at the numerator we can easily see that cost price is less than the selling price of one lemon. Okay, so when the cost price is less and selling price is more, we have a gain. Here CP of one lemon is less than SP of one lemon. It's gain case. So the formula for gain is SP minus CP. Now we will do the calculation on the basis of one lemon only. Okay, so selling price of one lemon is 16 upon 20 and the cost price of one lemon is 15 upon 20. It gives you 1 upon 20 rupees gain. Okay, now we have to find the gain or loss percent also. The formula for gain percent is gain divided by CP multiplied by 100. So gain is 1 upon 20 and the cost price of one lemon is 15 upon 20. One upon 20. This divide by sign changing into multiplication. 20 up, 15 down, multiply by 100. 20 are cancelled. 5 3s are 5 2s are 10, 0. 20 upon 3%. It can be written in the mixed form also. 3 6 are 18, 19, 20. So 6 and 2 upon 3 is the answer. Our next question is, Amit bought 2 fans for rupees 1200 each. He sold one at a loss of 5% and other at a profit of 10%. Find the selling price of each. Also find total profit or loss. So there are two things going all together, 5% loss and 10% profit. So we can create a column here. Cost price of first fan is equal to rupees 1200 and cost price of second fan is also rupees 1200. Both the cost price are same. So in the first case we have loss of 5% and on the other case we have a gain of a profit of 10%. We have to find the selling price. Now the formula for selling price in the case of loss, 100 minus loss percent upon 100 multiply by CP. On the other hand, the formula for selling price in the case of profit is 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiply by CP. Loss is of 5% and cost price is 1200. On the other hand, profit percent is 10 and the cost price is 1200. 0 0 are cancelled, 0 0 are cancelled. Here also 0 0 0 0 are cancelled. So 100 minus 5 is 95 multiplied by 12. Here 100 plus 10 is 110 multiplied by 12. So 12 5 is 60, 12 9s are 108 plus 6 is 114. On the other hand, 12 zeros are 0, 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12 1, 13, 1320 is the selling price of the second fan. Now to have total profit or loss, we have to compare whether the total cost price of two fan is greater or the total cost or total selling price of the two fans is greater. Total cost price of two fans is equal to rupees 1200 plus 1200. This is 2400. Now total selling price of two fans is equal to 1140 plus 1320. On adding these two, we get 2460. Students, you can see that cost price of two fans is 2400 and the selling price of two fans is 2460. Selling price is more than the cost price by 60 rupees. We can write here SP is greater than CP. So it's again we have to find the total profit, not profit percent. So we can write gain or profit, anything. Okay, so profit is equal to SP minus CP. 2460, 2460 is the selling price and 2400 is the cost price. On subtracting this, you get rupees 60. So this was the solution of this question. Similarly, you can practice the other questions also. Okay, thank you.